And like the white with the blue.
Everyone's just smiling and looking at each other.
Really so cute. It'll be worth it.
3, 2, 1, look at me and smile.
Hey, it's Jake. This is my second beer. I think it's gonna be. I think Ryan's gonna be the drunkest though.
If you never heard of Guinness,
You gotta let it rest. It's resting right now.
yeah.
Oh, we got a photo op. Camera's taking the camera.
We're just drinking. That's all you're
Cheers to you guys.
Celebrating drinking.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Getting after a little bit, some Millers, you know.
The people want to know, how do you feel right now?
Jealous of Kelsey?
So, I'm very jealous of Kelsey. I feel great being with the boys.
Yeah?
It's just the beginning.
Yeah.
It took forever.
Patrick?
Congratulations, Nick and Kylie. We love you guys.
Bro, this is what they find after like the serial killer.
That's what the camera wants!
What are you most excited about when you're seeing her?
Just getting the raw reaction. It's been a lot leading up to it, so I'm looking forward to it.
What do you think her dress looks like?
She showed me, a couple weeks ago, she sent me pictures of dresses that were nose. So I don't know if she strayed far away from that, or if it was pretty similar, but not the exact one.
Like she was bluffing?
Yeah, we'll see.
Yeah, and then is there anything you want to say to Kelsey?
Just love you.
What do you think the most favorite part of the day is going to be for you?
Probably the actual ceremony itself, seeing everybody and just spending a little bit of time up there, kind of like in our own world.
So is there anything you want to say to Nick via this camera?
I can't say it.
No, that's okay. You can wait to say
I'm so excited to marry you. I thought all the tears were done. I'm just really excited.
What do you think the favorite part of the whole day is going to be for you?
Getting to get through the ceremony because that's what I'm most nervous for, and then getting to just like celebrate and have fun.
No, that's awesome. How handsome do you think Nick looks?
10 out of 10. I know because I saw him in his outfit already.
You guys are so cute.
This is like probably the worst way you could possibly hold a wedding dress. Hey, it's loud. And he's just like, I don't know anything.
And then help look off your shoulder. Perfect.
Oh my god.
What a gorgeous day for a gorgeous bride for a gorgeous event. Hi, baby. You're no longer lonely. Now you're married, man. It reminds me of somewhere.
Before you started.
You smell good.
Thank you. I actually look so pretty.
Take joy today, knowing that there's nothing you have done or will do that can separate yourself from the love of God.
And if you would agree to be faithful friends to Nick and Kelsey as they embark on this new journey of marriage, please feel free to extend a hand out as I ask God to bless their marriage. As they walk down this path, light their way, that they may keep their eyes focused on your will, their hands holding fast to your truth. It is now my greatest honor to pronounce you husband and wife. Nick, you may kiss your bride. Ladies and gentlemen, may I present to you for the first time ever, Mr. and Mrs. Nicholas Benz.
Yeah, Nick.
Then can I have you guys go nose to nose for me?
Get on there.
Oh, way better.
Yeah. What flavor did you get?
Chocolate and rainbow sprinkles.
Jimmy's.